Greetings. Momentum is simply denoted as P, and it is equal to mass times velocity. Alright? So let's say I have a mass of an object that is equal to 3 kilograms and its velocity is 10 meters per second. Well, its momentum at these quantities will be 30 kilograms meters per second. This is the unit for momentum. Alright? 30. And so this is the idea how things are counted. And let's give a little bit more complex example. When I am told the velocity to be 20 meters per second and the momentum is supposed to be 10 kilograms times meters per second, so let's say like this. And I want to find out what the mass is. So again, I can manipulate the formula a bit by dividing both sides by v. So in such case, I will get the expression for m, which is going to be p over v, and m will therefore be equal to 10 kilograms meters per second over v, because I divide both sides by v in order to get an expression for m instead of p in terms of mv, and therefore that is over 20 meters per second. And this unit cancels out together, and the mass is basically 1/2 kilograms. Alright? So this is the idea. This is how you can use this formula, then modify it and get different quantities out of these three quantities right here, in case you had the other two. So let's say you have these two, then you can get this one. If you have these two, then you can get this one. So I can also do an example when you're looking for the speed. So let's say that the momentum is 50 kilograms meters per second and the mass of the object is 5 kilograms. In such case, how do I get the speed? Well, divide both sides by m and then I get p over m, so momentum over mass is equal to the velocity. Therefore, I can calculate the velocity to be 50 kilograms meter per second over 5 kilograms. And that means I get 10 meters per second for the velocity. Alright, so again, always the formula can be modified by dividing by one of the quantities, especially from this side, and then calculate it for whatever the example tends to be.